Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be preparing some pumpkin rice with coconut milk. So here we have about a pound of pumpkin, very nice and colorful, right? So what we're going to do now is we're going to dice or chop the pumpkin into smaller pieces. And here's the container that we're going to use to put them in after cutting them. So let's see how the pumpkin big and thick. Let's do it in smaller sections. So you can cut them up small, right? So with the pumpkin, your choice, you can remove some of the skin from the pumpkin. So you can remove some if you want to. You don't have to remove a lot, you can just remove some of it. So we're just going to continue to repeat the process until we have accomplished or cut all of this pumpkin. So check we're back. So this is the pumpkin after it has been chopped into small pieces. So here you can see a few green. So we leave some of the skin on it, right? But if you want, you can cut off all of it. Here we also have the scallion and the thyme as well as the garlic. So we remove some of the skin from the pumpkin. So here we have some crushed pimento seed. I prefer to crush them. Look at it. I prefer to crush it because I don't like when I'm eating I bite on a pimento seed. I don't like that taste, so I crush it so it had some flavor and more flavor to the pot. Guys, look at that coconut milk. This natural coconut. Yes, getting that custard, get it all bubbly. Right guys, look at it. It's natural coconut. When you boil this down, guys. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add the pumpkin into the coconut milk. Look at that. Look at the oil, guys. You see that? That is the oil from the coconut milk.
So to season the pot, we're going to add
our thyme. We're also gonna add some scallion. Some minced garlic. About a teaspoon. And here we also have half teaspoon of pimento, crushed pimento. Look at that, guys. You see all that seasoning bubbling. Smells so nice. we're just going to give it a stir. Guys, I wish you could smell that aroma. It smells so nice. Pumpkin. So we're just going to leave it here to come to a boil until the pumpkin is fork tender. So until the pumpkin them soft, yeah. So we soon come back.
So we're just going to also add about 1 teaspoon of salt to taste. And we're going to turn the flame on medium to high and add a toops of butter. After boiling up, you're just going to, once the water or the coconut milk becomes like this, you want to turn back the flame to low. And what you're going to do is you're going to allow the rice to steam slowly on low. So you cover the pot and allow it to steam until the rice grain becomes fork tender, until the rice grains are soft. Right? So this is how it is looking. It is steaming on low flame. So after steaming, this is how the rice is looking. So we're just using a fork to puff the rice, right? So you just use a fork and just, just ice up the rice here and there, just puffing the rice basically. And this is how it is looking, very nice and soft.
Guys, but just share out a plate. I couldn't wait no longer. You see this pumpkin rice, it don't need no more meat. It just need to eat just as is. You can taste the coconut milk in there. It tastes, guys, I'm gonna tell you what it tastes like. This taste, I'm gonna taste it for now. Oh, this tastes like saltfish rundown in coconut milk. I don't even know what to tell you. Say it seasoned right down to the last rice grain we eat. I can taste the coconut and then the pumpkin and everything and the pimento seed and the skelly. It tastes in everything. It's seasoned right down, guys. It is so delicious. You don't need no meat. That's why I have to go share out some instantly. Cause I had some meat, but when I tried it, I'm like, no. I have to eat the same way, so I don't need no more. I don't need no meat nor nothing. It can eat just as is, guys. You need to check this out. This is why this come like a saltfish rundown butter rice. Why I don't know. Guys, it tastes so good. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, guys. Trust me, this is for real. Ain't no need no meat. Please try this.
So there you have it, our pumpkin rice in coconut milk. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment in the comment section if you're watching this video and you haven't yet subscribed. Remember to hit that subscribe button and also turn on your notification button so you can be notified whenever we post new videos. Want to check out more of our videos? Check these out.